die Herausforderung, etwas ganz anderes zu machen. Etwas zu machen, was es noch gar nie gab.
We know at the end of the project something grand will be brought to our members or brought to the world.
A secret project is underway, approved by the Porsche Club of America with Porsche Classic in Weissach at the end of 2019. The plan is to build a unique vehicle based on the Porsche 911 Type 996. The 911 Sport Classic Type 997 is the model for Project Grey.
The whole idea behind it was if Porsche had the opportunity to build a Sport Classic version of the 996, what will it have been?
Back in the mid-1990s, exterior designer Grant Larson was already involved in the design of the 996.
Diese Chance, nochmal an diesem Fahrzeug ranzugehen und optimieren, das ist eigentlich ein sehr schönes historisches Erlebnis.
The donor vehicle, a first-generation Porsche 911 Type 996.
It's a heavy weight that was placed on my shoulder to find the donor car for this project.
The basic Carrera, made in the US, is completely disassembled at Porsche Classic in Stuttgart and subsequently rebuilt.
The good part is, no matter what I pick, the car that will go to Classic will be taken all apart and it will be made as new.
And that's not all. Porsche Classic has come up with something special for the unique factory model.
Wir möchten definitiv die sportlichste Ausprägung des 996 hier implementieren, und zwar GT3. Ist natürlich eine große Herausforderung für unsere Techniker. Das ist kein Plug and Play. Da muss man viele Dinge händisch anpassen.
One of the highlights is also handcrafted, the so-called double dome roof, previously only known from the 911 Sport Classic Type 997.
Das zweite stärkste Element ist natürlich der Entenwurzel, inspiriert von dem 2,7 RS von 1973. Das haben wir neu interpretiert, um das Fahrzeug einen ganz anderen Charakter zu geben.
Special club accents are also set with the traditional club blue of the Porsche Club of America.
Deswegen wirkt dieses Konzept so harmonisch, weil die Farbe reduziert und trotzdem cool ist. Also grau mit einer anderen Art Grau in den Streifen und dann die blauen Pinstripes. Dazu die Fuchsfelgen, die schwarz lackiert sind, was ganz wichtig ist, um den Kontrast zu haben. Und dann das Interieur eben dazu auch mit einigen Details, aber nicht zu laut.
It took 3 years from planning to completion. With the Classic Club Coupe, everyone involved fulfilled a dream.
And, it's going to be a very high-profile project, but at the end of the day, it's the family coming together to build something that's going to be very unique.
A transatlantic collaborative project. The Porsche 911 Classic Club Coupe. Unique.